Hello, my name is Serge and this is LiveAlgarve Team, and today I've got something very special for you. We've been waiting for this property for several months to be completed, all ready enough to be filmed. So, it's Quinta Da Vista, it's top of Funchal, location between Praia da Luz and Lagos, 5 minutes to Luz, 5 minutes to Lagos, dual sea view, 40 minutes to Fire Airport, southeast exposure. Wow! Let's have a look. So, welcome inside. This property boasts of 460 square meters of living area, or covered area if you will, and around 1600 square meters of plot. As soon as we walked in, we are welcomed by the grand design staircase that separates this property in 2 floors. The main area where we are right now, to the right of the entrance, is composed of this amazing living area, together floating to the dining and kitchen with access to the laundry and garage. And on the other wing of the property, we have a gymnasium and a cinema, and also a little area for your office. And this is quite stunning. So this property was designed by the famous award architect Mario Martins with 2 things in mind: sustainability and efficiency. And I can tell you there are plenty here. This house makes you feel so serene and calm. Whenever you walk in here, you just want to, be at peace. I think this is quite important in a property these days. So what do you get for your buck when you look at this property, technical-wise? And I can tell you, it's pretty much everything that's right now available on everyday's property market. We have underfloor heating, we have ducted air conditioning, air renovation system, double-glazed thermal regulated windows, infotainment system in every room and entire house connected together. You can control this property from the phone, things like shutters, underfloor heating, temperature. Basically, this is technological know-how. And right now, this is the best and most advanced property we have in our books. And this is saying something. But when you go to the outside and the seamless transition between living area and outdoor area is designed in a way so you feel comfortable in both. For example, the pebbled, heated, salt pool, outside kitchen with barbecue to host great parties with dual sea view over Lagos and Praia da Luz. I mean, technologically, this property matches nothing. You can see detailed explanation in the description of this property. So in grand finale, I would like to summarize that the property like this, with a secluded plot, not overlooked and looked at 2 different sea views from Lagos and Praia da Luz, architectural sustainable design, serene feeling between floating and on inside and outside areas. I think it's sort of one of a kind. And on that note, I would like to thank you for taking this tour with us. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. And go to our website and inquire about this property, because I think you will not be disappointed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.